Hi, my name is Kayla Little, and I'm here to talk to you about creating an outline. Hopefully, this presentation will help you with your future essays in college or even on a professional level. Let's begin. Why create an outline? Outlining helps to create a solid structure for an academic essay. Creating an outline helps you to organize your thoughts after brainstorming, observing, and research. An outline helps you to transition smoothly throughout your essay, making it easier for the reader to comprehend. There are many different types of outlines. Informal outlines are used as a draft for the writer to help brainstorm. So the informal outline is your ideas, you just jot it down on a piece of paper for yourself, and this just gives you the blueprint to your essay. A formal outline are used as the final draft of the topic, thesis statement, and body of the essay. A formal outline uses numbers and letters to label each major point of the essay. So first you will more than likely write an informal outline, just brainstorm, jot down everything that comes to mind. The formal outline is putting those ideas in an organized manner using numbers and letters. When you're beginning to write your essay, first you should elaborate on the topic you was given or created. Pre-writing helps you determine the purpose, what type of audience, and to help you create a good thesis statement. Example of pre-writing is brainstorming, cluster, free writing, and research. I will show you right now just a outline of a 5-paragraph essay. Let's begin. So, Roman numeral 1 would be your introduction. So you have your topic included in your introduction and your thesis. Create a thesis statement that would clearly state what you would discuss in your paper. You always want your thesis statement to be a strong statement, so this will help you throughout your essay. Roman numeral 2 is your first main idea. So you should always want to support the thesis statement. After that, you can start with a sub detail. So that's a supporting detail for the first main idea. And you also have subpoints which can include explaining, examples, data collected. So you always want to include that if you're supporting your first main idea, which in return supports your thesis statement. In transition to the next paragraph, you always want a smooth transition when transitioning to the next main idea paragraph of what you're writing. And you can also have more than one supporting detail. And if you do that, you should also want to start that with a letter, and that will be your second supporting detail. And you also should have your subpoints if needed. Roman numeral 3 will be your second main idea. And like I stated before, you should always support the thesis statement created. And you also start with your subheaders, with your supporting detail and your subpoints, explaining, like I said, examples, data, everything to help support that main idea. And your conclusion. Your conclusion should always include these 3 things from what I learned from school. 1, restate your thesis. This helps the reader focus, okay, I know I read in the introduction to her thesis statement. You as the writer should always want to reinstate that. Summarize your essay. So Summarize everything you have written in your essay. Do not introduce new information. Ensure the reader grasps the purpose of your essay. So you should always want your essay to smoothly just flow, basically. This helps the reader grasp and retain the information presented. Your outline is not your final draft. You can continue to revise if needed. Ensure that you do not have unnecessary information included. So it's always best to revise. And this is the information I learned, and I hopefully can help you with your future papers. And thank you for listening.